Dear lady and gentlemen, we are in the field of salt products in our local market for the past 25 years and engaged in export since 2005 with the registration of the Pakistani government and the Chamber of Commerce Sialkot Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Right now we have 6 factories for the Commerce Sialkot/Rawalpindi, Pakistan. RMY live production licking stones, salt lamps, salt tiles, salt bricks, salt barbecue tiles, salt licking stones, salt handicrafts, salt candle holders, foot massage stones, salt foot massage curved stones, salt foot massage flat stones, salt cooking plates, salt cutting process, massage salt lamps, pink salt lamps, USB salt lamps, white salt lamps, edible salt, blue Persian salt lamps, salt chunks, salt bath tiles, salt tea lights, salt detox lamps, salt inhaler, salt night lights, salt wooden basket, salt iron basket, iron salt lamps, food salt, fine salt, salt wooden basket, pink food salt, pink bath salt, Persian's blue chunks, black salt, pyramid salt lamps, salt bowls, salt ball lamps, animal salt shape lamps, hard salt lamps, dolphin salt, egg salt lamps, white pyramid salt lamps, salt handicraft, gray tiles, white tiles, pink tiles, crafted salt lamps, salt bath tiles, salt edla lamps, salt white edla, white pyramid lamps, Himalayan salt crystals, rock salt chunks, cooking salt stones, Himalaya light pink salt, crystal white salt, chunk blue rock salt, Himalayan salt spa chunks, bath sea salt, creative natural crystal Himalaya lamps, Himalaya salt chunks licking stones, organic Himalaya salt chunks, Lamperas de sal del Himalaya, Baldasas de sal del Himalaya, Ladrillos de sal del Himalaya, Massage de Pais del Himalaya Piedras, Baldasas cavas de sal, sal comestible, sal alimentaria, sal marina, Lamparas de sal para lamer, Lamparas de sal de animals, Candela brothers de sal, Platos de Coxian con sal, Baldasas de Baino de sal, Lamparas de sal de Persian Azul, Trazas de sal, Lamparas de sal rosa, Lamparas de sal blanca, sal detox, Tejas de sal para barbacoa, Inhalator de sal, Lamparas de edla de sal, Velas de te de sal, Lucies de noche de sal, Trazas de persa azul, Lamparas de angulo de sal, Quiencos de sal, sal bolas, Lamparas de sal, Canastas de madera de sal, Canasta de hierro con sal, Forma de corazón de sal, Delfin de sal, Lamparas de sal USB, sal de roca, Lamparas de sal pyramidales, sal granulata rosa, Himalaya sals lampen, Himalaya salzfliesen, Himalaya salzstein, Himalaya fuzzmassagestein, Salzbogenfliesen, Spiessals, Meersals, Lexsalzlampen, Tire salzlampen, Salzkerzenhalter, Salzkochplatten, Salzbadfliesen, Blaue Persisk salzlampen, Salzbrocken, Rosa salzlampen, Weiss salzlampen, Detoxals, Barbecue salzkacheln, Salzinhalator, Salzidlalampen, Salzteelichter, Salznachlichter, Blaue Perserbrocken, Salzwinkelampen, Salziskelenkugeln, Salzlampen, Saltalskorbi, Salzeisenkorb, Salterdform, Salzdelfin, USB Salzlampen, Steinsals, Pyramidensals Rosa Salzgranulat than 500 square meters Pakistan Amost. Right now our biggest production factories Khairabad Kushav 7040 Way Islamabad, Pakistan. RMY brand carton is very good quality. All products picture is quality available my website. Please check out my website www.rmyent.com. My Skype ID is Rajput_Germany. My Germany email ID is info@rmygmbh.de. My Pakistani email ID is info@rmyent.com. My Germany WhatsApp number is 0049152131788180. My Pakistani WhatsApp number is 0092300710431. I am 24-hour available in Skype and WhatsApp. Very reasonable prices. If you required anything, please contact us via email, WhatsApp, Skype, which is given below in description. Thanks watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.